Okay, I think that's a T10. You'll have to check your car to see which size yours is. But what I'm doing, I'm just, this one fell out. And they are actually the same size as the front and back. So I'm gonna put the worst one in the back. And to take it in and take it out, it's got these little tabs on it. And that fits right, that goes right underneath the light bulb, like that. So when you take it off, on my Toyota then, you want to pry from the back. A little screwdriver or something in there and pry it down. And then we'll show you a better view of the front. So it's the same thing. And these are the same bulbs on the sides also. Now this one is a little bit different. And you can see I don't think it makes any difference where you pry from on this one, because there's not a lot of sticky things up there. So this one has this little shield on it. But when you're putting it on, you want to make sure the light part is facing out, and that's the heat sink on the back, the heat thing that gets rid of the heat. And then that'll just clip on there. Clips into that little, that's a little bit crooked. I'll come back to that, but then you just slide it in. Okay, so up here in the front, now my center one went out, so I was working on that one, and the way that the bulbs held, it was too loose, so I had to squeeze it in a little bit so that the bulb was nice and tight. Now, these things are bright at night especially, so I thought I would just leave one of my regular lights inside here just for at nighttime when you don't want a bright light in your eyes, but you need a little bit of light. So got those two, and the thing just, you know, it just slides in and out. You just grab it and pull it out. Just one end's easier than the other. It's got a little hole on the thing at that end, so it might be easier to put it in that way and then that one. But again, you want to make sure that's down. And that's it for now on those two. Okay, that wasn't quite it. I'll just put the other one back in so you can see better. See how it just slides underneath those lights. It goes like that. Then it'll click in place. And that's on the door. Okay. Yeah, I'll see if I can do this with one hand. That's just a little screwdriver. Actually, this is the end we want to do, because that end is the one that's sliding in. Yeah, see, if you do it the other side, over there, it's not going to come out very far. You just